So you have the pleated window blinds, and in this video I'm going to show you how I install these shades and also like a before and after so you have a good idea how this product works. So here's going to be what you get. So you get the shades themselves, and they all come individually packed, so if you don't use them all at once, they'll stay nice and safe for you. And they do give you some clips as well if you want to use these to keep them up or down. Personally, I'm not going to use them, but it's totally up to you if you want to. So I'm going to bring the camera around. I'm going to show you the windows I'm going to put these on and how I'm going to go about that whole process. So these are the windows that need those blinds on. They're in a weird spot, like right above my couch, and then the sun just goes right on my TVs and it causes a huge glare. So I'm going to work on getting these put up there and I'll show you how I do it. Okay, so what I want to do first is just measure how big we need these. So just put them up to the window, whatever one you're going to do. And I like to leave just a small little gap there. It makes it easier for them to go up and down once you do have them installed. So leave a little gap there, come across here, and now you just want to mark your spot. I'm going to put the camera down here because I only have two hands, but we'll mark our spot, and I'll show you how you cut these, and then finally install them onto the window. Okay, so now that I got them marked here, and I don't know if you can see it, it's a black marker, but it gives me what I need to cut, and you can do this with like a scissors or a knife. Personally, I just do it with a bigger kitchen knife, put it on a cutting board, and you can just kind of measure out what you need, and I just cut right through it. And there you go, perfectly straight. These are cut now and shaped. So I'm gonna go install them onto the window. To get these installed, it's very simple. On the back here is gonna be, it's kind of like double-sided tape, so all you need to do is take it off, and that's gonna expose the glue for you. And then once you get that exposed, you can just stick them to your windowsill, and you'll be good to go. It really is that easy. So let me just get this off. There we go. Take that off. And install them from the top down. Just make sure I'm tall enough. That push all the way through. And there we go. We'll pull it down. There we go. It's installed. Really is that easy. Here is what the final product looks like. Overall, this took me like 10 minutes to get all three of them installed. Could not be easier. Saving my TV now from the glare. And these work perfect for me. I didn't want to put blinds or drill into my wall because I rent. So this is way easier. Just stick those on there. Blocks the sun just like I needed. Bunch of different colors, but I like the black. It really keeps the glare out. I'm in Arizona, so the sun just makes your whole house hot, honestly, more than anything. So this is going to keep my house a little bit cooler, keep the glare off my TV. 2 thumbs up.